Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best 3D printers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Monoprice Voxel. If you're looking to get started in 3D printing, the Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a great choice, as it delivers high-quality prints without costing you a fortune. Novices will particularly appreciate the heated print base on the Voxel, which means more reliable prints when you use materials like ABS. The top of the print bed slides out, too, and it's bendable, so removing prints is a snap. We also like the fact that the Voxel is enclosed, an important consideration if you're planning on using a 3D printer in a home or classroom. The MP Voxel is speedy, producing prints in times we usually see for more expensive devices. We were also impressed with the quality of prints, which accurately recreated details and captured natural, smooth curves in our testing. You may run into some minor frustrations with setup, but once it's up and running, the MP Voxel is the best 3D printer for people who want to experience 3D printing for the first time. At number 4. LulzBot Mini 2. This updated version of the LulzBot Mini doesn't miss a step when it comes to replicating what made the original such a great 3D printer. Once again, you get a printer that's flexible enough to handle different materials at an affordable price tag if you're ready to step up for models aimed at beginners. But the LulzBot Mini 2 outdoes its predecessor by giving you a larger print area to work with and a new, more flexible print head capable of handling even more materials. Our testing revealed that the Mini 2 churns out prints faster than the original, with quality remaining high on the finished product. LulzBot Maker All-F Objects underwent a rough end to 2019, laying off most of its staff in October. Fargo Additive Manufacturing Equipment 3D has since bought All-F, which means the LulzBot Mini 2, LulzBot Taz Pro and other 3D printers remain available. That's good news if you want to get your hands on one of the best 3D printers we've tested in recent years, though you may have to shop around to find retailers that have the LulzBot Mini 2 in stock. At number 3. Sindoh 3 Duox 1X, Open Source Filament. Let your 3D printer bring silent peace in your mind. With its quiet noise level of 40 decibels, you can now enjoy almost anything while 3D printing. 3D printing materials can create dusts during the printing process. 3 Duox air filters are designed to arrest dust and even very fine particles. No need to stay near the printer to check the printing progress. Using 3 Duox mobile app, you can monitor the print progress remotely. You can simply install and use the add-in to make the design file into a G-code file and send it to Sindoh 3 Duox 3D printer. Inspire kids to turn their wildest creations into reality. With Printed in 3 Duox, kids can print anything they can imagine, from toys to school projects and more. At number 2. JGMAKER Magic 3D Printer DIY Kit. We use industrial-grade silicone wire, aviation-grade aluminum profiles, an all-metal base, and a built-in power supply designed to ensure the quality and safety of the printer. Power failure detection and filament run-out detection to keep you printing even when things go wrong. You can experience the fun of DIY when assembling the printer. With only 8 modules, the assembly time is reasonable, and while it may vary, it is typically able to be completed in one evening. Resume printing from where the last print was stopped due to power failure, saving you valuable time and filament. Filament run-out detection. The machine beeps when your filament runs out to allow you to change the filament and avoid a failed print. If for any reason you happen to remove the SD card during the printing process, by reinserting the SD card you can continue printing. At number 1. Dremel DigiLab 3D 45 award-winning 3D printer. This flagship printer is Dremel's 3rd generation and is engineered for anyone from a first-time user to advanced professional to operate. Backed by Dremel's lifetime support, the 3D 45 is incredibly reliable and built for heavy usage. With easy-to-use features, a quick start guide, and everything you need in the box, you can go from unboxing to printing in minutes. Designed for high quality and reliability, this is the engine that powers the 3D 45 forward. The direct drive, all-metal extruder is clog resistant and delivers smooth 3D prints. This high-powered extruder heats up to 280 degrees Celsius for flexibility in different print materials. The filament run-out detection resumes printing where you left off when filament runs out. The built-in automatic leveling sensor adds precision leveling for even more reliable printing. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.